Whoops. Okay, yep. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. This is the school here. Okay, bye-bye. This must be like a preschool?
Yeah, it's a
Preschool?
Yeah, it's so nice.
Okay. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, they should stay there now. Okay. Okay. Okay.
You don't go backwards.
I know. Okay.
Okay.
Today is 10/3, I think. Okay, these are the little preschool children here. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
It's in Nyungwe National Park. This is a school by the park. This is my ranger friend, by the way, Jean-Pierre. And they're all the kids. They just are fascinated with the camera and probably the white guy.
Bye-bye.
They're just following us down here. Okay, yeah. Bye.